In this video, we're going to learn about developing Hangman game in Java. We have learned different methods or tools available in Java libraries for manipulating and processing text or strings or sequence of characters. Also, we'll learn about different variable types. So we should be able to at least develop part of the Hangman game. As we're going to develop this game together, I'm going to introduce new topics and new concepts available in Java. I'm going to start with creating a new project for the Hangman game. So a new project, Java Maven, Java application, and I'm going to call the name of the project Hangman game. So that's going to be the name of the project. I'm going to put the version, and the package should be the default, whatever it is. And again, you can just browse for the project location. For me, is the default place, and I'm going to stick with that one. So pressing finish, the project is created for me, and I have the very main class, which is the Hangman game, Hangman_Java class. Actually, I would like to change the game, the name of the class to something else. So that's something that also you can learn and how to do that in Apache NetBeans. So I'm going to just change the name of the Hangman_game just to Hangman. So you can right click on the class or the Java file that you see here. So right click on that. And then there is a menu here, menu item here is called refactor. So click on that. And then the very first one is called a rename, or you can use this control like the short key here. So rename, and I'm going to call it Hangman. And then I'm pressing on refactor, and it's going to change it to Hangman as you see. The rest again is things that are the things that we have seen so far. Some of them we know about them. Some of them we were going to talk about it later in more details. But our focus today is about learning Hangman game and what is a step required in order to develop this game. So let's review the Hangman game and see the processes or the steps required in order to the Hangman games.